Hello, everyone. This is Simran, your host, welcoming you again to the art segment. Well, she can paint the world with her mere imagination. She can pick up a coin to make a world record. Her art is her power, and the brush is her weapon. She's a woman worth $1 million smile born to shine. And she's none other than the very talented Gayatri Mavaru, an Indian artist, painter, social activist, educator, and social entrepreneur. Mrs. Gayatri had never missed an opportunity to represent Odisha on national and international platforms. Currently, she is serving as the ambassador of Indo Nepal art events for Creative Art Affairs. She has been conferred an honorary doctorate honoris causa for her contribution to the field of art and culture and a world record holder at World Records India, a record holder at India Book of Records, and Young Author Award she has bagged from Pen in Books publication for Hindi debut manuscripts Rabta, and the list goes on. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, now let's catch her live. So, let's have a look. So, wasn't it amazing? I mean, a paintbrush is no less a magic stick that can spell wonders in each move. There was art, there was peace, and there was serenity live on screen, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, in today's art segment, you have witnessed the magic of art, and now it's time to meet the magician, none other than Gayatri Mahavaru. Welcome you, ma'am,
Thank you
to the
so much,
TV experience.
Simran, for such beautiful introduction. And I'm really blessed to be here today on the occasion of SSR's tribute. Um, I'm really happy to be here today.
It's really great to have you today with us. And when we are celebrating talent, we are celebrating dreams, and we are seeing your painting. I was thrilled to watch it live on screen. So, ma'am, in today's segment, we have a few questions. We would be chit chatting, and there are a few questions that I'm looking forward to get an answer from you. So, let's get
Okay.
rolling.
Yeah.
So, firstly, I would like to know what are your thoughts on art before and now? Like, what do you think कि लोगों का perspective change हुआ है art को लेके पहले के art forms को लेके अभी के art forms को लेके? I would like to know more about it.
एक्चुअली पहले आर्ट जो था वो सभी लोग उसको जानने की कोशिश नहीं किए हैं। आजकल मैं देख रही हूँ जितना अवेयरनेस है आर्ट को लेकर वो पहले नहीं था। जब मैं पढ़ाई कर रही थी तब भी आर्ट के लिए उतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दिया जाता था। अगर हम कुछ बना दें और फैमिली मेंबर्स कुछ देख भी लिए तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम एंड वेस्ट ऑफ एनर्जी लाइक दैट। But nowadays, everyone is giving importance to different types of arts like painting, music, everything. But गाना सब लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं, डांस सब लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं, तो पेंटिंग क्यों नहीं? पहले जब मैं जब शुरू की थी पेंटिंग करना, it was like a therapy for me. I was ill and I wanted something to get engaged with. So I started art like that. Then now it is like just breathing for me. I can't even imagine a day without touching my colors or without looking at my brushes or without smiling at my canvas. So that is art for me today. And ये लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव भी चेंज हो रहा है. They are giving importance to express themselves and to open their hearts on canvas. So I'm really happy to see them doing that, and I'm
I
happy
mean,
for me too because
I was thrilled actually. You
yeah,
started with your hands, you touched those colors, you picked it on the screen, and you started just spelling the words of magic on screen. I mean, Buddha, this there was serenity. It was a complete package, right? And I was very happy to see that whenever we are moving forward in such a way, we are respecting the different forms of art, the artists who are taking time to live their passion on sheets. I mean, it's really amazing. So, ma'am, let's move on to our next question. I believe mental health has a great role to play. And in these tough times of
yeah.
COVID and all these negativity around us, what is your mantra to a happy mind?
See, as I told you, my day starts with colors and ends with words like poetry. Actually, in our busy lives, we forgot to know ourselves. हमको क्या चाहिए ये हम जानना छोड़ दिए हैं और दूसरों को क्या चाहिए वो हम प्रोवाइड करते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन हमको क्या चाहिए? What is your happy place? What is your happy place where you can throw all of your troubles, all of your anxieties, all of your pains, and you then you can be free if you can do that. Yes. So
Right.
for me, any kind of art like paint, I do painting, I teach dance, I do poetry. So I chose all of them. If I get what less motivated about painting, I go for poetry. If same thing happens there, I go for dance. Like that, I change my moods and I change my art according to myself, and that's how I could cope up with the situation. I used to do therapy. I do art therapy to people who are suffering with anxiety and depression, youngsters mainly. I feel
Yes.
so sorry about Sushant. If I could meet him, maybe I could have uh, tried a bit to.
Exactly. I can feel that because in this world right now, we are so much running after our passion about our dreams. Somewhere or the other, we are kind of forgetting our happy places, what we actually want to do. We are unable to express
Yes,
to people, our loved ones, and that's where we
yes,
are lagging. And I feel if you are not seeing at the negative aspect of COVID-19, you are getting time with your family, your loved ones, talk to them, speak about what you love and what is your passion. Just this is the moment where you live your passion right now.
yes, yes,
So,
yes.
absolutely.
Actually, we got a lot of time now. Okay.
Exactly. Hmm.
अगर हम ऑफिस जाते हैं या कॉलेज जाते हैं, तो हम हमारा दिन पूरा वहीं पे बीत जाता है और घर आते हैं थके हारे, और कुछ करने का मन भी हो तो नहीं कर पाते हैं। लेकिन मैं आज भी, बच्चे ये कंप्लेन करते हैं कि आज भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है। घर पे रहकर जो पढ़ मतलब उस टाइम से कंपेयर करने से आज इतना सारा टाइम है, लेकिन दे डोंट नो हाउ टू मैनेज दैट टाइम. They don't know how to
Correct.
channelize their things in a proper way so that they can get more time, but they're not doing that. I'm just helping few of my clients with that, how to plan their day, how to get what they want in a day, because today is ours. We don't know about tomorrow. So what we can do today, we have to do it today. So that's my mantra. If you want to do something, do it today, like that.
That's really amazing to hear. So, ma'am, moving on, you have made a world record by painting on coins,
Yes.
which is a miniature form of art, and it's definitely something that needs another level of concentration, patience. So, we would like to know that journey of yours, making a world record and making your pride count.
Actually, I'm a self taught artist. I'm
Oh,
not a
okay.
professional artist. I was a biotechnologist by profession. Okay.
Okay.
But art happened to me accidentally because as I told you, I had some issues with health, and art allowed me to get healed. Okay. So I chose art, and art has chosen me. So in this journey, what happened is I got a lot of rejection from the society, where people think I'm not a trained artist. Yeah. I'm just a self-taught artist, and even I got rejected. I could not have exhibited my paintings here in this very own city of Bhubaneswar. I exhibited in Nepal. I exhibited in Mumbai, Delhi, some other places. I just wanted to make people know my worth. So I tried many things. Not only just before going on coin, I painted on many other surfaces. Okay, but I was not happy with the output, with the result. So then again, someday it was raining outside, and my eyes caught on my son's piggy bank.
Okay.
I have a 10 plus son, 10 years old. And in that piggy bank, I found some 1 rupee, old 1 rupee coins with that smooth surface, small ones. So I thought of painting on them, but I failed because that is a very smooth surface, no color stays there. And I left it for around 8 months. मैं उसको छोड़ दिया, वो की नहीं. लेकिन one fine day I thought of doing some record in art. I was searching for different things on net. I was consulting different people, different organizations who give the records. Okay. So then I asked someone, can I do this? It's a challenging thing. Can I do this? They told me that yes, if you can, try. If you can do that, please try. Then I tried and I found my own technique. Then I started painting for 5 days on 101 rupee coins.
Okay.
I have finished 100 paintings in 5 days, and that is a very painful journey, because you have to hold the coin like this, okay, and you have to paint. I don't have any magnifying lens or something. I have to sit like this and paint. It is very stressful to your eyes and your fingers, and that concentration. At some point I thought of, no, I can't. I thought of just leaving it, but uh, I again gathered all my positive
Energy.
energies and I did it. And on 1st January 2020, I got this World Records India recognition. And at the end of January, by the end of January, India Book of Records also conferred me with the same world record.
It's like
That's
it's
the
really
journey.
great to hear. I got to know that you started with like 10 different concepts, 10 different topics,
Yes,
and then you
yes,
started with Bappa as your first topic, and then you started
yes.
over there, then Buddhas and all other
Buddha.
butterflies, everything. It's really
Yes,
great to know that.
thank
So,
you.
and congratulations for this achievement. You make the nation proud with that. So, definitely.
Thank you
So,
so
ma'am,
much.
that takes me to our next question. It is said that it is a bliss to have your passion as your profession. So, was your journey from passion to profession, and how does it feel? आपको कैसा लगता है कि you have made your passion alive through all these ages and you have gained it for yourself?
See, I used to work in DAV. DAV, DAV school.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
There I used to teach biology and dance to kids. Then I also used to teach drawing. Up to
Okay.
2014, I don't know how to use colors. I don't know
Okay.
how to use colors till 2014. But after that, one day I thought of fighting that fear of using colors. Then I started using colors. Okay. And I failed, and failed, because I don't know what color goes with what. The combinations or color theories or color. There are so many things we have to learn. So
Yeah.
वो सब नहीं हो पाया, एंड देन उसके बाद यहाँ पे हम आ गए भुवनेश्वर. भुवनेश्वर आने के बाद आई ट्राइड मेनी थिंग्स, मतलब जॉब करने के लिए कोशिश की थी, एंड आई हैड माय ओन स्कूल हियर, बट ड्यू टू कोविड इट्स आल्सो परमानेंटली क्लोज्ड. Okay. Meanwhile, I used to paint. I used to refine my skills. I used to practice a lot. And my first exhibition was in KIT University.
Okay.
My
Okay.
first exhibition in 2017. Okay. Then when people who came out of India, मतलब जो बाहर से आए हैं, उन लोगों को अच्छा लगा मेरा काम. And even Achyuta Samanta ji had taken 3 of my paintings to display there, and he kept them with him. And that gave me some sort of motivation. Yes, I can do. I can take it as a profession, not like just a hobby or something like that. I can now make this as a profession. So I have to learn a lot. I have to practice a lot. I have to do as many paintings as I can. So then this journey started as a professional artist from 2017. एंड 2017 से लेकर अभी का जर्नी इतना कलरफुल रहा कि मतलब मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि कब मैं फिर से डिप्रेशन में गई हूँ, या कब मैं फिर से नेगेटिव थॉट्स की तरफ गई हूँ. आई आई कांट रिमेम्बर that journey, that nobody to somebody. As in art fraternity now, people recognize me. If you go to Google and ask who is Gayatri Mavuru, Google can help you to know about me. Yeah. So that journey from nobody to somebody, from getting inspired by someone, and now to inspire someone, that journey is really beautiful, and I really cherish that. I'm
I
really
think
happy.
you आपने start किया था without knowing brush or color. You were not trained, but आपने उसको passion बनाया, passion से profession बनाया, and you were excelling. That's now your identity. That's even if you Google or find out who is this person, it's showing world records, this and that, the paintings and everything. All these things, it's no less an achievement, and that's only because आपने वो सपना देखा, सपने के पीछे time invest किया, and then you had having the result of it, which is marvelous. So it's
एंड आज
giving
तक,
me goosebumps to listen that. I mean, that's great.
या एंड आज तक जो भी हुआ है मेरे लाइफ में आर्ट को लेकर, वो कभी मैंने प्लान नहीं किया था. आई वॉज
Okay.
जस्ट नेक्स्ट क्या है, नेक्स्ट क्या है, नेक्स्ट क्या है. बट कभी मैंने आज जिस पोजीशन में हूँ, ये मैं कभी इतना बड़ा ड्रीम कभी देखी नहीं थी. आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक, हाँ चलो एक पेंटिंग कर लेते हैं, वो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट्स ओके. बट आज जब मैं खुद की जर्नी जो देखती हूँ, खुद की जो मतलब इतना सालों में जो अचीव किया वो देखती हूँ, तो आई रियली फील लाइक yes, I'm destined to be an artist. I'm destined to be an artist. I'm nothing else. I'm just an artist. So that
That's amazing.
हमको वो चाहिए कि हम क्या है, वो अगर हमको पता चल गया. हाँ, यंगस्टर्स अभी बहुत यंगस्टर्स हैं आर्टिस्ट, वो लोग बहुत फेमस भी है. अभी आई एम 34 टर्निंग 35. मेरा जर्नी थोड़ा सा लेट से शुरू हुआ है, बट आई एम नॉट unhappy, or I'm not feeling like I started very late. No, I'm destined to be like this. I am destined to be start this late. I'm destined to be what I am today. So
It's like never
that's my
late to start. It's never
yes.
late to start. And it's amazing when you look back to your journey and cherish those moments.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, moving on to our next question. Lastly, we got to
Okay.
know that you're a die-hard fan of SSR. So, we would like to know about him from you.
SSR. Uh, Back in the year 2009, I got married, and I am from South India. I don't know any other language than Telugu and English. Okay, so where we used to stay near Tata, जमशेदपुर के पास रहते थे, क्योंझर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ओडिशा. सो वहां पे आई फाइंड वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी. सो जो मेरी हेल्प, हाउस हेल्प जो होती थी, उनसे मैं बात करने की कोशिश करती थी, लेकिन नहीं कर पाती थी. देन शी सजेस्टेड मी टू वॉच सम हिंदी सीरियल्स. ओके,
Okay.
एंड पवित्र रिश्ता, दैट टाइम पवित्र रिश्ता मैं देखती थी एंड मिस नहीं करती थी. आई फाउंड सुशांत वेरी इनोसेंट इन दैट पवित्र रिश्ता. देन धीरे धीरे जब उनका जर्नी देखती हूँ, जैसे वो वहां से लेकर आज इतना मतलब उनका करियर में ग्रोथ हुआ है, वो जब देखती हूँ तो आई फील रियली प्राउड एंड आई फील रियली कनेक्टेड टू हिम. Like I saw his journey. Many of us do feel like this.
I still remember it
Uh,
was 9 p.m., right? It was 9 p.m. when
yeah,
it
yes,
used
yes,
to get aired and all, yeah.
yes, yes,
So,
yes. वो उनका जो जर्नी में, ही इज मल्टी टैलेंटेड,
correct,
मल्टी
correct.
टैलेंटेड एंड ए वेरी क्या बोलते हैं कि उनका जो ओरा, वो जब स्क्रीन पे आते हैं या पब्लिक में जाते हैं, उनका जो ओरा होता था, वो मुझे इंस्पायर करता था कि सी लुक एट हिम. आई यूज्ड टू टेल माय देवर कि उनको देखो, देखे मतलब उस टाइप का कंपैरिजन हम करते थे. एंड जब उनका जर्नी को हम देखेंगे तो बहुत उतार चढ़ाव हुआ था. देन अगेन ही स्टूड सो फर्म एंड ही डिड वेरी वेल. लेकिन पता नहीं कैसे क्या हो गया है. We all lost him, and today मतलब उनके बारे में जब भी सोचती हूँ तो आवाज भारी हो जाती है, दर्द टाइप का आ जाता है, जस्ट लाइक आई लॉस्ट समवन very close to me. See, if we are taking someone as a role model, we feel like he's ours or she is ours.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Mhm.
and when we suddenly lose them, we feel like some part of us has left us suddenly, and I feel that connection with Sushant. And
Absolutely.
today, ऐसा मौका मिलेगा, मतलब उनका ट्रिब्यूट हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे इतना जल्दी, ये कभी नहीं सोचे थे.
But then he has given us moments to drool over, like dance moves ho gaye ya fir
Yes, his
acting ho
dance.
gaye. And
Yes, yes, yes,
even
yes.
I don't feel like you can ever forget a brilliant dancer, amazing actor on screen. Pavitra Rishta always holds his
Yeah.
firm background that yes, he's connected to each and
Every
every
woman
single
wanted a
family.
husband like Manav. Every woman wanted a husband like Manav after
This is a
watching Pavitra
revelation, I would
Rishta.
say. I would take it
Yeah.
as a revelation, by the way. But yeah, all the husbands watching would be like jealous of that movie. I mean, the
Yeah, yes.
character, definitely.
Series, yeah.
So, yeah.
Yes. We really miss him, and but still we have something to मतलब उनको याद करने के लिए कुछ तो है हमारे पास.
Yes, yes. And
कुछ
that's more
वीडियोस हैं,
important.
मूवीज है, that is more important, and I hope he is watching us from there and showering his blessings.
I really like. We definitely missed a lost gem of Bollywood, but yeah, he is a star. He'll remain a star. Somewhere shredded in the star, but yeah, he will remain a star. So with this, we come to the end of our segment. Thank you, ma'am, so much for your presence. We were delighted to have you on live today on the tribute to SSR. So, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned because we have an amazing segment lined up for you sharp at 6. So, don't forget to catch us live for the next segment with Gaurav. Thank you. Collective Win is a Canadian not for profit organization based out of Toronto, Canada. Our main mission and vision is to create a network of like minded NGO partners who are working in the thematic area of child education, skill development, women empowerment, healthcare, and elder care, along with extensive support for mental health care. Currently, we are working for more than 8 renowned organizations and enabling them to execute their CSR projects. So you can find us and follow us on our social media channels. So you can find us on Facebook by the name of Collective Win. You can join us on Instagram at collectivewin.ca. You can connect us on Twitter at CoWinLive, and you can go subscribe us on YouTube by the name of Collective Win. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more details, you can reach us at our website collectivewin.ca. Thank you.